BMW X6 Repairs in my area. Bayerische Motoren Werke AG, commonly referred to as BMW, is a German multinational corporate manufacturer of luxury vehicles and motorcycles headquartered in Munich, Bavaria, Germany. The 2021 BMW X6 is built for shoppers who want a mid-size luxury crossover with a sportier aesthetic. Although traditionalists might mock its fastback styling and decry its decreased practicality, they should remember that the more conventional BMW X5 still exists. Plus, BMW spearheaded the SUV coupe movement with the original X6. So now it must defend its market share against spin-offs such as the Porsche Cayenne Coupe and Mercedes-AMG GLE class. Not only does the X6 have an appropriately luxurious cabin and entertaining driving manners, it also boasts a set of quick and refined powertrains. The 523 horsepower twin-turbo V8 is a lot more expensive than the standard six-cylinder engine, but it's still a better value than the six-figure price that the 600-plus HP X6M commands. No matter its performance level, the 2021 X6 is a machine for people who like to be seen. Servicing a BMW X6 involves regular maintenance tasks to ensure the vehicle continues to run smoothly and remains in optimal condition. Here are some common service tasks associated with the BMW X6. Oil change. Regular oil changes are essential to keep the engine lubricated and running smoothly. BMW recommends synthetic oil for most of its models, including the X6. Brake service. This includes inspecting and possibly replacing brake pads, rotors, and brake fluid as needed. Properly functioning brakes are crucial for safety. Tire rotation and balance. Regularly rotating and balancing the tires helps ensure even wear and extends tire life. It also contributes to better handling and ride comfort. Wheel alignment. Proper wheel alignment ensures that the vehicle drives straight and handles well. Misaligned wheels can lead to uneven tire wear and reduced fuel efficiency. Air filter replacement. A clean air filter is important for engine performance and fuel efficiency. It should be replaced according to BMW's recommended maintenance schedule. Cabin air filter replacement. This filter improves the air quality inside the vehicle. It should be replaced periodically to maintain a healthy cabin environment. Fluid checks. Regularly check and top up fluids such as coolant, transmission fluid, power steering fluid, and windshield washer fluid as needed. Spark plug replacement. Replacing spark plugs at the recommended intervals ensures efficient combustion and optimal engine performance. Battery inspection. Have the battery and charging system checked to ensure reliable starts and electrical system performance. Suspension and steering components. Regular inspection and maintenance of these components are crucial for safe and comfortable driving. Exhaust system. Check for leaks or damage in the exhaust system, as issues can affect performance and emissions. Timing belt or chain replacement. If your X6 has a timing belt, some models may have timing chains. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations for replacement. Software updates. BMW periodically releases software updates for its vehicles. These updates may improve performance, address issues, or enhance features. Safety recall and service bulletins. Keep an eye out for safety recalls and service bulletins related to your specific BMW X6 model. Addressing these promptly is essential for safety and performance. Regular inspections. Regularly schedule comprehensive inspections with a BMW certified technician to identify potential issues before they become major problems.